Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I wanna be going to discuss how to use on, in, at and for. So in this video, we can separately discuss how we can use on and where we can use in and where we can use at and for. So let's start the video. So going to start the video, first you can like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's start the video. First we can see that how we can use on. On mostly use such as we can use as for Friday. So on Friday and on the ship, on the ship, on my birthday. For birthday we can take on preposition. The plane, on the plane, on the plane. And for time we can also use on time and time measure that anytime. So on Friday, on the ship, on my birthday, on the plane, on time. Next, on the next we can see that how we can use in. In used as for months, so like in May, and also used for year like in 2023, and in also used as season like in winter. In winter it is also used as in the evening. In the evening, in preposition also used in an hour. In an hour. So in use in May, in 2020, in winter, in the evening, in an hour. Next, see continue video. Next we can use at of at use at homework, at home, at 9 o'clock. It is also at use at night, at school. So we can see that preposition at use at work, at home, at 9 o'clock, at night, at school. Continue video. Next, in this we can see how use for. How use for a walk, for 2 days, for a chain, for dinner, for a month. So we can see is that the preposition for used either for a wall, for 2 days, for a chain, for a dinner, for month. Continue video. Thank you very much. You can watch my video. So like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.